Hey, cut. This is the middle of the video. And I just want to talk to you guys about a few things about this drone. Hey, it's fucking cool. And the thing is great. You saw some of the footage. I don't want to bore you with that. It's like the Nature Channel. Here he goes. He's going over the flock of geese. He's coming up. He's going down. But anyways, I think it's pretty cool. It doesn't take a lot of aviation capability to fly this thing. The only thing is you got to be careful. If you put it in sport mode, it's like a Halley's Comet. It's like, so anyways, so I'm here noodling around with it, little controls, trying to, learn how to fly the thing. And pretty soon you don't see it anymore. It's like, where the fuck did it go? And it's like, where is it, honey? But, so it gets going. You can't see it because it's like this big. I mean, look at it, the size of a grapefruit, and, or a watermelon. But it was gone. So thank God it's got this. Actually, by the time I got it back, it was flying over Bangkok, over a Bangkok street fight. So I was watching that. Anyways, no. So it's got a return to home button, which will bring it back to wherever you are. Just be sure to set the altitude so when it comes back, it doesn't fly into the 5G tower. Like, Anyways, I learned that the hard way, and a few oak trees later. But anyways, you got the JB wheel. I'll just glue it back together. Damn thing. So other than that, it's like, don't ham fist this thing. What do I do? What do you fuckers? You bastard, bring it back. Anyways, sorry. That was totally off the cuff. Oh my God. Don't yank my channel. The YouTube guys are going, hey, you don't do that, you bastard. But anyways, so just a quick, I'm not going to bore you with any more of the footage. It's pretty cool though. But that's how I learned how to fly it. And I really don't know how to fly it, but it's pretty easy. So anyways, that's we'll finish the rest of the video. Thanks you for joining me. And, let's do it. Hey guys, it's Chris from Outbound Terrain. Hope you're doing okay. Just driving down the highway on Salmon Falls Road. I'm gonna head to Salmon Falls. It's an old bridge here in Northern California. It's got a lot of historic history. Gonna go there. What I wanted to do is a lot of the outdoor channels are flying drones. We're getting good footage. Camping, whatever, just a different perspective. Sorry, my gimbal doesn't seem to work. Whenever I'm on these really windy roads, this thing kind of goes wonky on me. So, see what I mean? So I'm gonna right bank here. It'll straighten out. Hey, come back here. Where'd you go? Gosh, for fuck's sake. Damn, this new equipment. Anyways, so we're heading down there. We're gonna fly the drone. Sorry about the angle. See, I bought a new drone. It's called the Mavic Mini. Jesus, sorry. I'm trying to keep my face in the freaking middle of the frame. A really windy road, man. Salmon Falls Road. We got some pretty freaking hairpin turns here. Plus, I'm driving my lifted Jeep, which handles like the Queen Mary under the best circumstances. But so let's go down here, check it out. So I got this new drone. It's called a Mavic Mini. I think I paid like. Wait, I'll be back in a second. I think I paid like, I don't know, $400 or $500 for the thing. It's not the flight pack, it's the regular, this Mavic Mini with the battery and the controller and all that stuff. Small, 259 grams. I'll tell you what, man, we'll just get there and it's just easier for me not have to drive and talk at the same time because this is pretty gnarly, all right, guys? So I'll see you when we get here, okay? Sorry. Hey, it's Chris from Outbound Terrain. Welcome, guys. Hey, we're going to start off in Salmon Falls, which is in Northern California off Salmon Falls Road. It's an old bridge from the 1800s. Been here a while. Connects Salmon Falls up to Pilot Hill, up to Cool, and then through the American River Canyon up to Auburn. So anyways, South Fork of the American River here. This is Skunk Hollow. Pretty cool place. So I got this drone. Okay, here it is, Mavic Mini. Very small, 259 grams. So it doesn't need to be measured. Sorry. It's my only day off. You know how it is, guys. It doesn't have to be registered with the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration. Anything over 250 grams has to be registered. So that's why I got this. So, and this thing you can pretty much fit in your pocket, man. It's like so small. A small controller, cell phone fits in here. You can fly without the cell phone if you want, but with the cell phone you have control, and you can control your pitch of your gimbal, and shoots almost 4K. It doesn't work too bad. Anyway, so let's take it out. Now from here, I'm going to go over to the American Canyon by the old Folsom Bridge. It's called the Rainbow Bridge, and the old part of Folsom. There's a lot of history here in Northern California. And I got this because I wanted to kind of change a little bit of dimension. So when we go camping and stuff, I want to get some different angles up top, underneath, fly around, instead of the same old ground level, you know, stuff. So we'll work on that and see what happens. And excuse me, like I said, pretty cool to fly. I took it out of the box at home and I flew into an oak tree with it. But little JB Weld, see that? Fix anything, because it busted the arm off this thing. I'm thinking, oh god damn it, I just got this thing, and I already busted it. So I flew into oak tree at about 30 miles an hour. No big deal. So it's got two modes. It's got sport mode and like P mode, which is like the amateur mode. So of course at first I put it into sport mode, which is the high performance mode. So it's like it, you know, it hauls ass up and down and all around. You got to really watch it because it'll get out from underneath you. But it's got a mode where if it gets too far away, you don't see it, which is easy for this thing to do because it's so small. It's got a return to home button for the idiots. You push that and it'll kind of return per GPS to wherever you launched it from. So it's pretty cool. So let's go fly this thing. It's pissing people off here. Sometimes I don't think a lot of people like these things, but you know, I don't fly them over people. I don't fly them over 400 feet above ground level AGL, which the FAA is very stringent about. If I fly over 500 feet, I've been breaking rules. So that's where we're at with the drones at this time. It's April 20th today, and day off. I wanted to come out with you guys. It's a nice day in sunny Northern California, and it's about 90 degrees. We're getting into a warming trend. But hey man, it's always good to see you guys. Thanks for coming. You guys are bitching, and I would really like it if you'd subscribe to the channel. And if you do, we're going to give you a dot. Well, not that kind of dot. You know what I mean? It's on the house, man. Anyways, we'll see you there. Let's go fly this thing and see if we can keep from crashing into the mountainside. Not a cloud in the sky, man. How could I lose? So, hey guys, I didn't crash the thing into the side of a mountain or an oak tree. Got up to about 400 feet. And then when it gets so small, when you get it up there, you're going, where the fuck is it? And then you have to use your iPhone screen to see where you are. But I got some footage. Tell me what you think. Salmon Falls, American River Canyon over by Folsom Prison. Didn't want to fly over Folsom Prison. It's restricted airspace. Rented lips. Can't talk today, man. Give me one day off and I lose my marbles. Anyways, restricted airspace over Folsom Dam. Yeah, Folsom State Prison. Nobody wants to go the fuck near there anyways. You know, so flew pretty well. I must be getting old. I'm having a fucking stroke or something. Hey, it's time to go to the hospital. But other than that, man, I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, I'm an amateur, man. There's some pros out there. Sorry, a little microphone trouble. Some pros out there that are really good with these things. I'm just learning how to fly it. But what I want to do, I want to take it up to the Rubicon this summer. I got a trip planned out, 3 days. We'll start at Loon Lake staging area, which is up near Loon Lake off Ice House Road and Highway 50 up there. And I want to bring this thing, and what I thought was kind of cool, if I could fly the thing the whole length of the drone, well, the whole length of the trail all the way to South Lake Tahoe. That would be pretty cool. Catch some good rigs, some heavy duty rigs going over some frickin' outrageous, badass terrain. That's what it's all about. And for other things, camping and just some high altitude shots, some stuff like that. So that's it. Nothing special. I'm an amateur, and you know, got to start somewhere. But anyways, hope you guys have a good day. And this is Chris. I'm going to end up here in Salmon Falls. Gonna go home. It's a good day. Beautiful day, man. Got a little breeze here. A little warm though. It's spring in Northern California, you know. So that's cool. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm gonna let it go right here. It's Chris from Outbound Terrain signing off. All right, brothers, keep it real. Be good men. Take care of your families. Keep a good outlook and a good attitude, because if you do, good things will come your way, man. I would know. Take care, man.